right here, and I'm going to work through it. And on the side of my paper, I'm going to say, please excuse my dear Aunt Stacy. And I'm going to ask myself some questions, all right? Remember, parenthesis has to have like an operation on the inside. Ain't no operation, so we can't say parenthesis here, all right? So there won't be no parenthesis. All right, so first thing I have to do is look for any exponents. Do I have any exponents? I have this one right here. So exponent means you have 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. And we bring everything else down. We bring down the minus operation, we bring down the negative 20. We got to bring down that division. We have to bring down the negative 8, parentheses with the 5, and that is not a 5, sir. The minus operation and the negative 26. All right, so when you see that you don't have any more exponents, we can move on from the exponent and look for all multiplication and division. So we look for that. The first thing we have is this division. So we take out 64 divided by negative 8 is negative 8. And I'll bring everything else down. So that negative 8 is different from this minus. Never forget that. That negative 8 was a part of this answer. Your operation was separate. And bring down that negative 20. And then outside this negative 8, it's still a number. So I'm going to put that parenthesis back and then put that number. Minus negative 26. All right, I'm still looking for multiplication division. I got multiplication right here. So negative 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. And I'm bringing everything down. Operation, negative number, minus. Then a negative 26, all right? Remember, that negative 40 has nothing to do with that minus. Now all my multiplication divisions, we're done with that. Now we have addition, subtraction. We go from left to right. The first operation I have is subtraction. That's negative 20 minus what kind of 40? Well, it's a negative 40, but you saying put them together and then you get 20. I know what you're talking about. I know. I have to teach you that. All right? Y'all probably already knew it, though. And we got minus negative 26 here. Huh? Uh-huh. And we get 46. You do. I taught you that because you're going to use it later. But if you can use it now, that's great, man. That's great. All right, go ahead and do number 3. That's the last thing I want to show y'all. Step 3 is how to do the problem when you have exponents, add, subtraction, and multiplication division. Everything put together.